term it that. PKD, let me start by asking you a very simple question. You know the term
Vineet, firstly is that this is nothing new. This has been an orchestrated exercise which has been taking place across India in multiple places in bits and pieces. Sometimes you and me will get to know is over the last 2 days or so. This is in a way some kind of a new term, because nowadays jihad is a love jihad or a Marxist jihad and etc. This is another set of an exercise. The problem is that you expect a Hindu to be secular naturally. He is by default Hindu is an secular, but you wanted to push everybody else can be the way they want it to be. They can be communal. They will only be talking about their community. They can be as intolerant as they can if we talk about their God and their belief system. But here is a community which can be thrashed, which can be joked. Their God and their belief systems can be always taken side. I think time has come for this country to realize that what is right and what is bad. What is the need for an advertiser? I run an advertising agency, you know it. What is the need of an advertising, a brand to communalize an advertisement while to sell a particular product or to establish a brand name? It is not really required at all. The whole purpose is
well, PKD, sorry to interject. PKD, sorry to interject, but you said that what was the need for a brand like this to do this? Perhaps I'm not the spokesperson, but what I can guess, an intelligent guess, is perhaps they were trying to promote, inter-religious harmony.
Inter-religious harmony is not created by the brands. It's despite 1500 years of various kind of an attack this particular culture into the thought process which is called as Hinduism. This Hindus are still here. They still focus, have the culture, their culture is still existing despite so much of hammering. Do you think a Fab India requires to come and teach and preach us what is the religious harmony? Well, do you think that the secularism...
But PKD, whose job is it anyway? But whose job is it anyway, PKD, to preach harmony?
No, I don't think it is not required to be taught. The only thing is that there are some religions in this country or in this world exist today, which for them anything and everything starts with violence. If they take the name peace, what they preach is practiced, then the whole harmony is there all across the country. Can you imagine that a Hindu, India as a nation, has been ever even attacked even one particular country? Even forget about, even just to imagine the Pakistan, our supposed to be our brother. Every time we get attacked, we only defend. That is our culture. That is our thing. And we expect the so-called brands or the people who claim themselves to be the religion of peace is coming and going to tell us what is harmony is all about, what is secularism is all about, what is pluralism is all about. It's only because of the Hindus by default have always been secular. That is the reason all these communities still exist in this country. That is the reason they are thriving, and whereas they are getting killed day after day across the places where they are themselves are majoritarian. And you expect, Vineet, a brand will come and tell us what is religious harmony is all about?
No, I'm not expecting that, PKD. I'm not expecting that. I'm just asking.
Man, you are into a clothing business, go and sell your clothes. You are into an organic product, you go and sell your product.
I understand where you stand. All right, PKD, I understand where you stand.
Are there in this panel? Let me ask, out of all the 5 people, my challenge to all of you, including to myself, that you can give as much as gali as you wanted to Brahma, Vishnu, Shiv, everybody, you can give gali. You put Ganesh ji ko aap kuch bhi bol do. But ek particular word, even Sumit said that Shri Muhammad, that also can be a controversy. So the intolerance in this country which related to one or two communities so huge, on the contrary, you expect a Hindu, whether it is his religion, whether it is his Hindu gods and belief systems, they have all been made mockery one after another, whether it is movie stars, all those people. If you have the guts, I'm only saying, if you have the guts who are making a movie in a bad light of a Hindu god or a goddess, I challenge those people that you also have the guts to do thing about the other religions. You can't. There are Abrahamization of Hindu religion is a fact. I am right now speaking to you right now from Punjab. Today you will not be able to find out a Christian pastor because he looks like a Sardar to me. His name is Arvind, Arminder Singh. His attire is a Sikh. He is wearing everything is same, but he goes to church. So there is so much is happening. You go towards south in the Kerala state of Kerala or Tamil Nadu, you will find the churches are now indigenization of churches. So what they do, they have the temple band and stuff which is in the traditional value system of Hindus have been taken away to they brought that to the churches. They have the big flag post which is traditionally the signature of every temples in the south of India. They all been made there in the churches. You can't find anywhere else in the world. Why? This is all about a particular systematic converting the people either by their mind or by their belief system and creating a quota that they are still Hindus. So I think we need to understand when the brand like Fab India, which is a responsible brand, I am wearing a Fab India shirt kurta right now. I have immense respect for every entrepreneur who has done very good for themselves in the business. But please, it's for heaven's sake, we don't want, as a proud Hindu, I don't want any brand to come and teach me what is pluralism, what is secularism, what is communal harmony. What Sumit said is exactly the right thing. Whenever there is a Diwali comes, आपको कुचली शुरू हो जाता है. जब आपको गणेश चतुर्थी होते हैं तो आपको एनवायरनमेंट की याद आ जाता है. जब आपको होली और त्योहार की बात आते है तो पाकिस्तान उस टाइम पे याद आ जाता है. जब ईद की बारी आता है या क्रिसमस की बारी आता है, सबसे ज्यादा पोल्यूशन होने वाला क्रिसमस का जो टाइम है, नॉट ओनली इन इंडिया, अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड, नोबडी इंक्लूडिंग अ जर्नलिस्ट लाइक यू विल बी कीपिंग मम. That is where the challenge is. The challenge is that the pseudo-seculars need to be exposed. The people who are communalizing, not from anywhere, only for their commercial purposes, needs to be exposed. I think the time has come for all of us to quit these people, identify them, criticize them, and tell them to go and sit. And plus, on top of it, in my final word, all those who are criticizing Hindu religion, Hindu belief system should also have the guts and courage to go and do the same thing with the other religions as well. If you can't do it, mind you, you have no business to do with my religion. Firstly, I think I could feel that I have said used your name somewhere, and if it is something the way I on a bad light, my apologies. My views are mine, and it is nothing.
Don't worry about it, PKD. No love lost. No love lost, PKD. Go ahead.
Okay. So now the idea is that I think the times have come. All these brands to keep themselves away from the religion. The religion has its own space, and the brands let them do their commercial business. Let them not do communal harmony business. Let them not get into any kind of a secularism business. No, we want brands to do their business, let the religion. And finally, the only word I have is that let us have a level playing field. It is not that Hindus are the one who are ready to take any beat, does not mean that you keep taking them. There will be a time will come that they will start bouncing.
We'll take a short break. Mr. Khan, Mohammad Ali Shah, PKD Nambiar, thank you so much for being a part of this wonderful conversation. We have some break.